Teach me how I should be mechizik, even it's not going my way, how I'm thinking, even it's not going the way how I imagine and I dream. No, it's not going. There's a boy in yeshiva. He don't know nothing what's waiting for him in his life. He thinking all day, I'm gonna have a house, 3 floors, and a backyard and a front yard. I'm gonna have an eye. I'm gonna look who's coming, knocking the door, and then I'm gonna take people. Sundays I give hundreds for people. Then I'm gonna have a radio. What's going in the business, and then. And what? Didn't go on my shidduch, and then when the shidduch comes, it's like it's not like he dreams, and then he don't know what to do. The wife told him, please, don't come home anymore here. Please, I'm going home to my mother. What I'm doing now? What I'm doing now? Then he has a wife, but the kid is not as healthy and this and those. 1000 Sachen. I don't have money. I'm feeling like I'm getting a nervous breakdown every minute from so much pressure. No, what now? This is a moifas. I have a Rebbe that the Rebbe told me push it dadurch. Push it through. It's gonna be better tomorrow. It's gonna be better next week.